Hi, I'm John Weber with TechNexion in the US, and I'm here to talk to you about a new product we have coming out called EDM-8M. This is our system on module. It has NXP's IMX8M processor, which is built for 4K video streaming. And EDM-8M is a little bit different than the other products that we have around IMX8M in that it's an EDM form factor SOM. So it uses an MXM 3.0 connector, edge connector on the end. And so a little bit easier to connect to the baseboard, just plugs right in. But what's a little bit more special about EDM-8M is that we can actually support USB 3.0 super speed USB support on it. We have on EDM-8M, we have our wireless radio, which is our Pixie 9377, so 1x1, 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5 connection, fully certified in the US and in Europe and Japan, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. And then also we have our LPDDR4 memory up to 4 gigabytes. On the bottom side of EDM-8M, we have our eMMC, we have Ethernet PHY, we have our power management, we have a connection here for JTAG. So if you need to work with the built-in Cortex-M4, you can work with the JTAG interface there. On the top side of the board, we have our MIPI CSI2 connection, DSI, and that's pretty much it. That's what's on EDM-8M. This is an EDM form factor SOM, so this is the same form factor as what we had with, say, WAN board on IMX6 that we introduced way back in 2012, 2013. So EDM-8M. Now for EDM-8M, we have EDM Wizard. EDM Wizard is our form factor that is a wizard form factor, which is what we call our, which is a mini ITX size board. So it's 170 millimeters by 170 millimeters. On EDM Wizard, we have a lot of functionality that you can use to evaluate and prototype for your next product. We have here our 40-pin expansion. If you've ever seen PicoPi, you've seen the 40-pin expansion connector we have on it. It's standard for Raspberry Pi. We also have our voice hat connector here, which has two I2S interfaces on it, which is great for connecting our voice hat. Here we have MIPI DSI expansion. So we have various adapter boards for different displays that we can put on here for different LCD panels, all of which have different connectors and different backlight voltages and connectorization. So we need to be able to adapt that. We can use these very simple little adapter boards to be able to do that. So we just plug straight that on there, and this is for a 10-inch MIPI DSI. And then we have also one for 5-inch LCD panel that we have for our other kits. So this is, and we have one also for an HDMI as well as one for 8-inch MIPI DSI. So here, just to kind of go around the bend here on the different interfaces. So we have an additional camera interface, we have mini PCI Express, M.2 slot. On the back side, just to show you, we have SIM card slots for the mini PCI and M.2, which is great for connecting cellular radios. Over here we have our power. We have our USB connections for Type A USB. We have USB Type C. We have HDMI. We have Ethernet. And then we also have an audio codec built on here. So we have speaker outputs as well as a mic jack and headphone jack right here. And then over here we have a couple of different interfaces, a couple of different connectors here for our CLIX modules. And CLIX modules are little sensor modules, little wireless modules that we can connect on here for rapid prototyping purposes. So this is EDM Wizard. It's used for prototyping and working with our EDM-8M SOMs, which is right here. And again, coming from TechNexion very soon. And just stay tuned from us for this and other videos. Again, my name is John Weber. I'm with the TechNexion in the United States. And thanks for joining me for this video.